Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can send Ethereum from CoinSpot to MetaMask and back. So the first thing that you will have to do is open your MetaMask, and of course you do have to ensure that you are using the official website and you already have your MetaMask extension installed and enabled. And once that's all set up, you will just have to click receive, and then you will have to click your to click this copy button right here, which is for your Ethereum address. So what you will have to do after you've copied that, you will just have to go to your CoinSpot, and of course here you should make sure that you've already logged into your account. And here you should see something like select ACH or uh like something similar to this, and then you will just have to click ETH, and then you will tap send, and then you will paste the MetaMask address that we've copied earlier. And after that, you will just have to enter the amount and then confirm the network and click submit. And of course, you do have to wait for the confirmation, and then you will have to check MetaMask after that. And to send back, you will just have to copy your CoinSpot ETH deposit address, and then you will use MetaMask to send. So you will have to click send, and then you will click you will paste it, and then you will just have to basically confirm. And yeah, that's basically how you do it, and I hope you found this video. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.